Hello, good morning, sir. So what's your name?
Good morning to you, sir. I am Mr. Isaiah Ibuchukwu Uzochukwu Chukwu.
Ah, only you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what state are you from?
I am from Lagos, sir.
Lagos. Where is Lagos?
Okay. You don't know Lagos? It's a state in Nigeria, sir.
You mean Lagos?
Yes, sir. Lagos. Okay, I'm sorry, sir. I don't know. You look very familiar. I think I might know you from somewhere. Is that a possibility?
No, I don't think so. Or you must have seen me on the TV. Or maybe. So all these are your qualifications?
Yes, sir.
All these?
Yes, sir. All mine, sir.
Wonderful. Anyways, for your interview, I'll be asking you questions from different subject areas, ranging from maths, English, Bible knowledge, and general studies. Is that okay?
Okay, no problem. Fire down, fire down. We are ready. Yes, so this job is our own.
Okay, so what is science?
Sir, okay, science is anything that has weight and occupies space.
I thought that is matter.
No, sir. Matter is anything that matters to you, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are the mineral matters we have in Nigeria?
Oga. That one is a simple question. That is a very simple question. We have Coke, Coca-Cola, we have Fanta, we have Sprite, we have Malta Guinness, we have Mirinda, we have Pepsi. Which one? Name it. Which one do you want?
Okay. According to the Bible, who is the father of many nations?
Two-Face.
Who is Mary Slessor?
Mary Slessor. Shall be Mary Slessor. The mother of Judas Iscariot.
Sweet Jesus. Which university did he graduate from?
Molag, sir. M-A-U-L-A-G. Molag. Is the short form for Moshood Abiola University, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what course did you study in school?
Mechanical engineer, sir.
Mechanical engineer or mechanical engineering?
Mechanical engineer.
Can you spell it, please? Use this piece of paper to spell it.
Very, very easy to spell, sir. Here it is, sir.
Mechanical engineer, sir. Is this how to spell mechanical engineer?
Yes, sir. My own is different, sir. Sir, please, if you permit me, sir, I have to pick this call. All of you are very important. Hello, Emeka. Emeka, have you gone to the market now and prepared the soup? What have you been doing in the house since? See, look, don't waste my time. Look, don't waste my time. I will be back in the house in the next 1 hour. Look, just go prepare the soup. Go to the market. Buy my ukwape. Buy my okoroko. Use utazi and ehu to cook the soup. Yes. Onomatopia. What do you mean by Eze ate my okoroko? Look, Emeka, answer my question and stop doing like goat with raw powder. What do you mean by Eze ate my okoroko? Okay, you know what will happen? Just tell Eze, tell him he has eaten his last supper. He should go to church and pray his last prayer as well. Okay, I'm very sorry, sir. I have told you my own.
Okay. It states here that you are a computer genius.
Yes, sir.
Just like that, no training, no certificate, no nothing.
Sir, I don't need all those things. I can operate any type of computers. I'll just bring it.
You are sure any kind?
Very sure, sir.
Okay, Jim, please bring the laptop. Okay, thank you. I'll need you to use this. You put it on, go to a word processor in it, and type a 3-line story about yourself.
Onomatopia. Okay. Where's the on button?
You are obviously a computer genius. What is your email address?
Okay. To be honest, to be sincere, sir, I am not very sure. I don't want to say one thing and my guy at the top will say another thing. So I will just confirm it, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Oh my God. So in essence, what you're trying to say is that you do not know your email address.
No, sir. Oga, wait. I know it. It is Mr. Isaiah Ibuchukwu Uzochukwu Nememma at Yahoo.
That's all.
That's all, sir.
Okay, so now to general studies. Who wrote the popular book, the popular British book, Oliver Twist?
Okay. For that one, I'm not too sure. But I think it's Don Jazzy. Because it's the band that sang the singing.
Blessed are the meek,
For they shall be drunk.
a patient dog will.
Die of hunger.
He who laughs last.
Did not understand the joke, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. So I will get back to you shortly. So Mr. Isaiah, at the end of the interview, my associates and I, we have analyzed your performance and must confess it is an abysmal performance. You are not qualified to be an IT technician that you applied for. You are not even qualified to be our gate man. So you did not get the position.
Sir, please, you don't understand, sir.
Mr. Isaiah, there is nothing to understand here. You cannot even spell the name of the course you studied in university.
Sir, please don't.
If you say one more word, I will slap that blouse mouth of yours and call security. Now peacefully take your CV and get out of my office.
Yeah.
Anofia.
Hey viewers, what's up? How is your day? How is your day going? If you like this video, subscribe here to see our latest updates, to get latest videos from us. And if you want to see other past videos, click this link right here. Take care. Bye-bye.